It's a dish for those who like to butter up their guests.
Soften your butter
while riding the crest of a culinary trend.
Have you heard of a butterboard?
Have you heard of a butterboard?
Literally boards slathered with butter and who knows what sprinkled in.
Add tons of flaky salt, tons of lemon zest,
a little bit of red pepper flakes,
fresh figs, strawberries,
and add in some roasted garlic.
I drizzle just a little bit of honey over that chili oil.
Then everyone is supposed to dig in with their bread. The sharing part freaked out this skeptic. Looks like a board of germs and dust and a hair falling in it. But food influencer at Justine Snacks begs to differ.
I love it.
Her video whetted appetites, though she credits Joshua McFadden, who included the butterboard in his 2017 book. Now it belongs to everybody.
Y'all, this is to die for.
Or die from. One critic called it a disgusting pile of coronary. When this TikToker didn't exactly devour it, someone asked, "Why are you chewing it like it's a piece of gum?" Some are already moving on to the cream cheese board, topped with lox and capers, mopped up with a bagel. Already the butter board is starting to feel like an overloaded pizza with chunks of cured salami.
Apricot jam.
I happen to have these dried edible flowers.
Why just butter your bread when your bread can be butterboarded?
You guys, this is perfect served with a warm, crusty bread.
A warm, crusty bed is one garnish too many. Jeannie, CNN, New York.